Hi there folks, and welcome back to the channel. Before we get into what's in this box, I just want to say thanks to all the new subscribers and obviously my existing subscribers and any future ones. I mean today 100 subscribers reached, which I never expected. I thought, you know, maybe a few of my friends, you know, they might be interested to see what I've got to say. Just did this for a bit of fun, so I'm quite surprised with 100 subscribers. Thank you very much. Excellent. Right, this is something a little bit different today. I don't know if anybody is kind of, when you're trawling through Amazon, you're having a look at watches. It doesn't seem to matter whether you're looking for a sports watch of some kind, or a dress watch, or a digital watch. But at the top of every single page and at the bottom of every single page, and if you actually open something to have a look at it, you get suggested what's in here. Now there's actually 3 brand names that have got identical watches. The only difference is the name on the dial. There is Benyar, Bersigar, and another name that I have got no idea how you pronounce. I believe they used to be Pagani design. But anyway, I thought we'd do a little bit of an unboxing, so it's not going to be a detailed thing. So we will get into this and we will have a look and see what we've got. And of course, yeah, being Amazon, there's the first thing we got to hope is that we've actually got the right thing in here. So, and it will be, the box will be huge, and we've got, yes, here we go, lots of paper, so we don't need that, we'll get rid of that. Now I'm surprised because my wife is sat right here and I didn't get told off for throwing the rubbish on the floor. But here we are, here's the box, and apparently I bought a Benyar, so we will dispose of the box. Yeah, I just got the look. So let's have a look, shall we? Here's the box, and we have a little sleeve on the outside. I've seen these boxes before, and they've got quite this pretty cool little magnetic thing going on. There's quite a bit of weight in that, if I'm honest. So we'll flip that open. Let's have a look and see what we got. We have a piece of sponge, which I'm going to give to my wife because I don't want to lose that. We have a warranty card, which is not filled in. We have an instruction manual and a blue microfiber cloth, which I can add to the collection. And then we get to the watch. Oh, and a tool for removing the links in the bracelet. I've just remembered I bought the one on the bracelet, so that's I thought I'd bought one on a strap, but obviously not. Well, I can see it ticking away in here. It's in this little plastic sleeve. It feels quite hefty. I'm quite surprised. So we'll put that in there and get that out of the way. And here we go. This was they priced them at £35, and with a voucher that I got, it came in at £29. As you can see, it's a chronograph, blue dial, blue bezel, stainless steel strap, hang tag on there, lots of plastic on it. So we'll see if we can open that up. Probably not, because I've got the hang tag in the way. There we go. Well, here we go, and let's have a look and see if, here we go, chronograph is running. You've got the tenths of a second running at the top. Let's hope this works. A stop and a reset, and it worked, which is really quite cool. It's not actually as bad as I thought it was going to be. So I've got no reference numbers for you at the moment, but let's get some specs on this very quickly. We have a case diameter of 45mm, so it's pretty large. We have a lug to lug of 50, and a case thickness of just a shade under 15mm, so it's quite a big one. Kind of reminds me a little bit of a Omega Seamaster. but I will do a full review on this and do probably a little bit of a comparison. I don't know if you can see on there, but the way that the lugs taper in, we got that kind of electric blue bezel on there, which is pretty cool. It's not too bad. I don't know what I was expecting for kind of the 30 quid mark, but it wasn't this. The bracelet, which is covered in plastic, and I don't suppose I'll be able to get that off on camera, will I? I'll just end up making a mess of it, and it'll go really tight in one bunch. But it is polished centre links and brushed outer links. I'm going to just pull that out of the way so you can see that. Obviously you don't get a milled clasp at this price point, it's just a pressed clasp, but it is all stainless, and that bracelet does look like it's solid with push pins, fully brushed on the inside. You've got polishing down the outside, fully polished, nearly said brushed, fully polished case. It's actually not as bad as I thought it was going to be. I don't know what I expected for 30 quid. Probably not this, but yeah, pretty cool. On the back, waterproof to 30 meters. I don't think I will be getting this one wet anyway. But yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to wear this for a few days, and then I'm going to come back to you, and we'll do a full review of it. Okay, well that's it for now. Just a quick unboxing. Again, thank you so much for the subscribers. That is just really excellent, and the support from people like Average Joe Watch Reviews, SoCal Watch Reviews, David Schwartz from the Schwartz Force. I nearly got that right. Yeah, all you guys, you know, thank you so much for your support. Aviv from my affordable watch collection as well, must give him a shout. Okay, well, I will leave links to all these people, these other YouTubers, in the description down below. Go and check out their channels and give them a follow. Got some great content going on there. Right, if you could leave this video a thumbs up, I would appreciate that, and if you could subscribe as well, that would be fantastic. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll get notified when I upload some more content. Okay, that'll do for now. That's it from me. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers for now.